Hi everyone, I'm back with another card making tutorial. For today, we have another quick and easy card, and it is a travel themed card along with lots of colors. The idea behind the card is to not use any stamps, and that is what I was going for. So, initially, I start off with a pack of Craft Angles Notelet. So, this is a regular horizontal folding card. And what does Notelet essentially mean is it is a pack of 10 card bays as well as corresponding card envelopes. And the stencil that I'll be using is this particular Monuments of World stencil, which is one of my favorite, even though it's a simple stencil. For card making, there are many, many ways in which you can use it. So I fix my card base to the base of my table, and then I am going to use a lot of ink blending brushes and different colored distress inks. So the idea was to create a rainbow colored card on a white background, just for a lot of contrast. So I start off from left. So I'll take one monument on the left and one monument on the right, and similarly I'll come in the center. I'll continue doing this till I'm happy, and all the colors that I'm using, I'll show them on the screen so that you know which distressing colors I'm using. However, you could use any ink pad of your choice and any inks of your choice. As always, with all my videos, all the products that I have used will be linked in the description of this video so that you can check the same in case you're curious. Now, I'll let you enjoy the coloring and I'll come back once the coloring is done. This created the focal point of the card. Now, just to add some interest here and there. First things first, I start off with some blackberry liquid watercolors. I have diluted it heavily with water. Then I add splatters of it on top of my card. This is just to create that organic background for my card, and the black will provide a good contrast to the white and colors that I have used on the top of my card. Once the splatters are dry, I decide to use the same black color to kind of create the ground for my monuments to stand on. Again, as you can see, the color is extremely diluted. So it just gives you that light color. Remember, Craftangle's liquid watercolors are extremely vibrant and powerful colors. So you need to dilute them thoroughly if you want to use them in such a light shade like how I have done. Now, moving on to the sentiment for my card. Since this card was quick and easy, something which anyone can create, I have decided to use pre-printed sentiment sheets. The one that I am using is called Travel Sentiments 1 by Craftangles. And I have selected the one which I like, simply cut it using some scissors and then stick it using some school glue. And that completes my card for today. A very pretty, simple, colorful travel themed cards for all you travelers out there. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and do consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Till then, guys, take care. Bye bye.